Welcome to our guide on streaming mobile games to your PC for free. Today, we'll explore the benefits and how you can get started. First, let's talk about what you need. A mobile device, a computer, and some software are essential to get started. You'll need to enable developer options and USB debugging on your mobile device. This step is crucial for connecting to your PC. You can connect your mobile device to your PC either through USB or Wi-Fi. Let's break down both methods. Now, install your preferred streaming software like OBS or Streamlabs and configure them according to your setup. It's important to adjust your settings to ensure the video and audio quality is top-notch. Let's dive into those configurations. Always test your stream to check that audio and video sync perfectly before you go live. When you're ready to go live, remember to engage with your audience. Ask questions and read their comments. If you encounter any issues, don't fret. Common problems can often be solved with quick fixes. To wrap up, remember that streaming mobile games to your PC is easy and fun. We encourage you to give it a shot.